Hi, welcome to Cervello Money Talks. I'm joined with Nadeem Afzal. Hi Nadeem.
Good morning.
Hi Nadeem. I've heard about business property relief. How can someone use business property relief to reduce their inheritance tax bill?
That's a very good question, Sam. Business property relief is very underused, but it's probably the best way of saving inheritance tax. And the government have introduced this in order, firstly, to give smaller companies who are not big corporations a chance to flourish, and secondly, it allows those who invest in those companies to save inheritance tax. So if you have an asset, either cash or otherwise, you can invest that amount into a business property relief product. And the best people to help you with that are your financial advisors, and they will tell you in which stocks to invest that money. Within 2 years, or after 2 years, the money that you've invested in those shares in those companies will then become exempt from inheritance tax.
Okay, so not the normal 7-year rule.
So there's no 7-year rule. And the great benefit of that is that within, say, the first 2 years, you could get a life insurance policy that would cover any liability for inheritance tax. But the most important thing is for individuals to know that it's not an investment for growth. It's a capital preservation plan. So you're not going to expect to get a great deal of income from a business property relief, but you will preserve your capital. And more importantly, the only reason people invest in business property relief products is so that they don't pay inheritance tax on that money.
That's brilliant. So you touched on the point there that business property relief is designed to help companies flourish. So if I was a business owner and I own my own business, a limited company or not, would that potentially be exempt from inheritance tax as well?
No, you can't invest in any company. Those companies have to be registered on what they call the AIM stock exchange.
Okay, that's fine.
So they have to be of a certain level.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, that's fantastic. Thanks, Nadeem.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining us at Cervello Money Talks.
Thanks for watching that Cervello Money Talks video. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe to our channel, click there.